What's going on YouTube? Today in this video I'm going to be showing y'all how to cut your own hair at home. Let's get straight into it. So today I'm giving myself a high taper. So first what you want to do is brush your hairs down, brush your sides down, you know what I'm saying? Both sides, right? Now you want to get your trimmer and set in a bald line from the edge of the vertical bar, so down here is what I'm showing you guys, to the ear right here. Boom, 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 boom. I just go like this, boom, and then the whole thing connects, which is easier. So I'm gonna do that. Super easy. So next, what you want to do is grab your clipper, lever open, not here, open, right? And go 1/2 inch. So right here where my finger is, boom, like that. I'm gonna show y'all. Super simple. Just like that, right? So what I do, I close the lever each time until it's closed. So start from open, boom, 1. And I go over the line right here to erase this line. The small line right here, not this one, right here. Boom, right? Boom, right? Boom. Simple. Yeah. Right? So it looks like this. Okay? Next, what you want to do is grab your one guard. So this is the one guard. And what you want to do is lever open and do the same thing. Lever open, 1/2 inch. Open. And if that's not cutting, you can close it a little bit, right? Oh, that's it. Right? So it's looking like this. Next, what you want to do is grab your 0.5, your 1/2 guard, slap it on there, lever open, and attack the bottom line. And flick. Use the corners and flick. If it's not cutting, close. Gradually. You know what I'm saying? Now what you want to do is grab your 1.5 guard, lever open, and go with the grain. Open, and with the grain. I always start open just to be safe, you know what I'm saying? And that's not doing anything, so I close it. Now I'm going to take my one guard lever open, and go with the grain as well. Y'all still see this line, right? I'm gonna attack that lever closed with one guard and use my corners. Just like so. Now, if it's not seeming to fade away, you can use your half guard and do lever closed and use your corners. Coming along. Now for detailing, you want to open your lever all the way, use your corners, and start detailing, just like so. For any small stuff that needs to be faded, you use detailing. You see a little spot here. I'm a little sick, y'all. There you go. Looking sharp. So this is one side done without the lineup. This is the next side. I'm just gonna do it and come back after. Alright, so this is both sides done. Now I'm gonna get started with the lineup. Just brush the front down. Now for the lineup, what you want to do is take your trimmer and start in the very middle, right? Don't put your head super down where you can't see. Don't put your head super up, because the lineup's gonna look like this, like an illusion, like that. You can't really see it. So don't put your head like this. Don't put your head like this. Put your head straight like this, where you can see it, right? You know what I'm saying? Start in the middle and work your way. Don't tilt the trimmer, put it straight, and follow the line, follow. Follow it. And for the vertical bars, just like so, easy. Tilt it like this, easy. Boom. Now I'm gonna add some enhancements. Now for the enhancements, what I do, I apply the card, and I don't put it super close, or else it's gonna make it look super fake. So I put it decent distance, not super close. You know what I'm saying? And just work my way. Boom. Now what you want to do, add some holding spray, right? This is the holding spray I use. So after it has been dried, go over the liner. Boom. So that's it, y'all. If y'all like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. If you found it very helpful, just put a comment down below, let me know. If y'all have any questions, I'm here to help. That's all is what this channel is about, just to help y'all out. I'm gonna answer you guys, try my best to answer you guys. But yeah, with all said and done, I'm out. Peace.